How to be more productive when you're feeling unmotivated. In this video, you will learn 8 ways of how you could make your day very, very productive, even though you're not up for it. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of 2 rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now a happiness coach, helping leaders become the most sought-after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful and subscribe to the YouTube channel. There are 2 new videos published here every day. So I know, especially these days, it's getting a little tough for everybody. But otherwise also, if you feel unmotivated, there's no drive, and you just don't want to do anything, how can you spare yourself the guilt of not making the most of your day? And how can you really have a productive day? So I just want to share with you things which have worked very well for me, and quickly I'll go about sharing those with you. तो सबसे पहले morning routine. Yeah, if you don't have one, make sure you create a morning routine. Now, what does that mean? It includes the waking up time also. Start waking up early if you're not doing it already. Subah jaldi uthna is like a blessing. If that means sleeping early, because obviously if you don't sleep early, you cannot wake up early. But if you wake up early, that time is the time you can spend with yourself. Those hours they're like different energy altogether, right? So वो जो वक्त होगा सुबह का, आप अपने साथ बिता सकते हैं. You can reflect upon whatever you're going through, any problem, any challenge, any issue that you're facing where you're struggling. It's the best time to really sit down with your paper pen, think about it, and trust me, you will get solutions. Universe has a way of interacting, and it will give you the solutions. It happens, right? But when I say waking up early, it doesn't mean an 8 a.m., 9 a.m. Early is early. So it's about, whatever works for you, as early as possible. 5:30 a.m. is great, right? So waking up early and then having your routine, which could be, your morning walk, exercise, your meditation, yoga, all of these things which will set the tone for your day. So anything out of these that work for you, that kind of invigorates you, make sure आप उसको अपने morning routine में शामिल कर लेते हैं, right? So that's number 1. Number 2, you set the intention for your day. आज का मेरा दिन कैसा जाने वाला है, ये intention set करना ज़रूरी है. और set कैसे करेंगे? Just within yourself, speak out loud, or you may want to write it down or speak out loud for yourself that my day today is going to be very, very productive. It will be full of love and compassion. Now, you may say कि ये तो obvious है, I want it to be productive. I want it to be peaceful, happy day. Well, it's not obvious, because when you're speaking out loud and you are reminding yourself that this is what it is, you are also sending a message to your brain. तो जब आप intention set करते हैं, एक intentionality आ जाती है, right? Then every time you are digressing, you'll be reminded that compassion, productive, peace, happiness, whatever it is for you, right? So set the intention for the day, right? Number 3, review your calendar. Yes, हम सब चीजें calendar में डाल के रखते हैं. You can do this the previous night also. Else, early on before you're starting your day, just review your calendar. If you think there are any changes that you want to make to it, by all means, go ahead and do that. But you need to be clear that this is how it looks. This is how my day looks. Don't overpack it. Don't, just overdo it. Make it a comfortable, workable, calendar for you. And that's very important. Number 4, you need to then stick to what you've put in the calendar, which is why review is important, so that any changes you need to make, you make it. Once you've done that, then you follow that, right? You focus on that one task at a time. You put aside all your distractions. So you know, if I have to write this mail, then I better put my phone aside, because I may just pick it up and go through my Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn. अगर आपको पता है ये distractions हो सकते हैं, उनको पहले ही address कर लो and go as per your calendar, focus on that one task only, right? Number 5, be flexible when it comes to the flow of the day. But be very clear, you have to do all of those. Now, what does this mean when I say be flexible? You may feel as you move along that you're not up to doing a certain thing. आपने सोचा तो है कि इस वक्त मुझे ये काम करना है, but somehow you just don't have the energy, or you may want to do something else, right? तो अभी आपने सोचा है वीडियो क्रिएट करना है, कैलेंडर में लिखा है, लेकिन मेरी इच्छा हो रही है कि मेरा जो अगला प्रोग्राम है मैं उसके लिए कंटेंट लिखूं, right? Which is at a later stage in the calendar. Now you can by all means be flexible, उसको swap कर सकते हो, but just ensure that you stick to the things that you've planned in your calendar, right? And another thing to do is, your energy levels are different in different times, at different times. Morning में अलग है, afternoon अलग है, evening अलग है, और हम सबका efficiency in times में अलग अलग होता है. For me, maybe mornings are highly energetic. For you, it may be, in the evening around 4 p.m. is when I feel like wow. So you know yourself better. उस हिसाब से tasks को allocate करो, calendar plan करो, so that you know what works best for you, so that it's quite productive. Yeah. So following that is important, and yet maintaining that flexibility. Number 6, sudden things may come up, right? So we're working from home, family is also there. For me, when I'm doing work, I've planned I'm going to do it without any distraction, and suddenly my daughter will come to the office and she's not feeling well. मुझे अच्छा feel नहीं हो रहा है, मुझे आप ही के पास बैठना है. Now, initially I used to get overwhelmed. It's just my time, I need to focus on work right now, and I would just tell her that, but it did no good to me or her either. So then I said, it's okay. Yeah, these things will come up, accept it. It's not always going to be perfect and the way you want it. It may be, it may not be. So just accept it, be okay with it. So that's number 6 for you. Number 7, self-care is very, very important, right? Take care of yourself. Take the breaks whenever you need them. For next 1 hour, I have to write non-stop. But suddenly you just feel nothing is happening, no thoughts are coming, I'm not getting the ideas, kuch productive nahi ho raha hai. Instead of wasting the time, okay, I think I just need a coffee, or I just need to go for a walk like outside and maybe take a 5-10 minutes break or a 15 minutes break. Do that, right? You know yourself well. If that 15 minutes of break will get that energy back, why not? So don't overdo it. You will spend next 30-45 minutes doing nothing, but if you take that 15 minutes ka break, you will be re-energized. So address your needs as and when you need it, right? And last and very, very important, I would say, is at the end of the day, before you go to bed, run the entire day's events in your head. Whatever you did, right from your morning routine to your work calendar, all the tasks that you did, something came up, then the meeting was there, and maybe the time that you spent with your child, had a coffee, spent some alone time, everything, just run it through your mind, recall everything, and be grateful for whatever you were able to accomplish. When you do that, it does 2 things. One, as you recall everything, you'll be like, wow, I did this. You'll feel good about it. You'll feel fulfilled that, wow, I've done all of this, right? And 2, when you're expressing gratitude, you will experience happiness. You'll feel that happiness, that wow, this is so amazing, I'm really grateful I could do this despite whatever I felt, whatever happened came up suddenly. And trust me, this one thing of just going through whatever happened, we often just miss out on acknowledging ourselves and feeling good about ourselves. This will give you that necessary impetus and make you feel good about yourself. बहुत ज़रूरी है. इस वाइब के साथ जब सोओगे, imagine how you're going to wake up and then again back to your morning routine, right? So these are a couple of things. These 8 things are what I have been following, right? Little bit here and there, of course, happens sometimes, but trust me, they actually work wonders, right? And I have realized मेरा दिन productive होगा या नहीं, ये सिर्फ मेरे हाथ में है. Things come up, things used to come up earlier also, things come up now also, right? As you go through this, don't get hassled. कई बार होगा आप सोचोगे कि हाँ मैं ऐसा करूँ, but then you will get overwhelmed, you will react, you'll not be able to do something, but just be easy on yourself. It's okay, right? Be intentional about it, and trust me, you will evolve through this process also. Yeah. So I hope this was helpful. Go ahead, try these 8 things out. And, even if you're able to do maybe 4 of these, 5 of these, 2 of these, just start one at a time. Action is important, right? Great. Do hit the like button if you found this helpful, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.